UC Dubai has become one of the most famous fashion model in the USA due to the wide spread and the social media platform such as TikTok and the Instagram. There are content models who are in the fashion and the model industry, and the best part, it is stock very less. Time that effect to go viral on this platform. Today in the article, UC Dubai efforts to be reckoned within the world of a fashion modeling has a covered out her. One is as a fashion model, content actor, and Instagram influencer. She is served as a brand ambassador for fashion of Carvi. Part number 28, 1998. Jodi Singh Taurus, age 26-year-old, place of birth Koba. At just 26-year-old, UC possesses extra skill in content. Caption has a mastered the art of bolding. Junior communication with her adventure. Her journey in the dale of Instagram began. A few years ago, she is a sense. She amassed an improved following of over 1.6 million loyal fans. Besides Instagram, she is also active on TikTok, where she is a share content related to fashion, travel, and the lifestyle. Currently boasts over 30k followers on TikTok. UC influencer extend beyond many number. She has become crucial promoter to various brands, including Pretty Little Things and a Fashion Nova, where she has a separate and brand ambassador Fashion Nova Carvi. Her impeccable fashion sense and a clothing choice paired with her inspired figure resonate deeply with her external fan base. With this post, UC Dubai continue to captive, advance with her unpolished style and influence personality. As she has a bizarre trial in the fashion industry, UC remains a beacon in British worldwide, proving that depression, privacy and the dash, confident anything is possible. Social media, Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.